Hey guys, gonna be a run of my Rattler. I did change out the tires and wheels. These are actually tires and wheels from Red Cat. They're the ones that go on my Blackout, the XTE Pro, but they're the same as the brushed or the brushless version of that kind of truck. They are kind of wearing down now somewhat, but I figured I'd go ahead and put it on this Rattler because it is a little bit slippery out here. It may not get as much traction, but at least I'll get some. So I'm still running the Mamba Max Pro in here. And I did change out the servo as well still, but it's still running stock gearing and the stock motor. I have to say I'm still amazed with this car for the cost of it. US about 175, 80 bucks shipped. If you go on Hobby King's website and you actually wait a few minutes, they'll actually give you a discount. And that's what I did when I ordered this a couple of weeks ago. I was viewing through it. About 3 minutes later, of course, they usually do this. A pop-up came up saying, order this item now for 10 bucks off or something. So anyway, this car has been very impressive for what it's worth. I like it because it, one, uses 10mm hexes on it. Or sorry, 12mm. So I can run just about any 10 scale tires and wheels on here that I want. And it doesn't matter whether it's regular offset or wide offset. And then the second thing is it's got a 2700 kV motor in it. It's a 540 size motor, but it is 4-pole. But it does fine. I'm running this on 3S. And it's just as fast, like I said, if not faster than a regular 8-scale buggy on 4S. I think it's actually faster, in my opinion. I haven't ran one or against one that's been geared for normal speed in a while. So, but anyway, I'll quit my yap and try this a little bit more. Here you guys go, another quick run of this bad boy. So far I have really liked this car. I mean, it's got a lot of things I like on it. One thing I didn't really like too much, of course the servo was slow, what can you expect with the price point? And with the ESC, unless you can get a lot of airflow in there, I do recommend changing it out because it is only a 35 amp. I have a Mamba Max Pro in here, but so far this thing has been good. As always, don't forget to like or dislike and subscribe if you have not, and stay tuned for more videos.